What I enjoy most about West is that the people are like a family. We laugh every single day and we support each other through all the hard times. I think everybody's really close.
My team members, they are awesome. They're really great. People here are so nice, and there's no favoritism. My team members are very welcoming. I feel at home working here. I came here in America with nothing, $0. I came here. I started working at West Company. I bought a house. I have a car, and I'm supporting my family abroad. I'm helping my parents financially. It helps me a lot in many ways. I am so grateful working at West Company.
So West does provide competitive pay for our area, and the benefits are great as well and really affordable. So Williamsport has provided for my family because I am a single income household, and it provides enough for me and my daughter to live comfortably.
West has provided us with great pay and reasonably priced insurance. They're also great about matching 401k, bonuses, and even distributing hams and turkeys during the holidays.
West has helped provide for me and my family. Is actually my mother worked at West, and I started here as a college temp. I then became full-time, and my oldest son actually works here in QA on the third shift.
I think West is a great place to work. It's proven to be a stable company with lots of growing opportunities.
I would encourage others to work at West because it is a great company, and it's also growing. We have an addition in the works which creates to the job stability that we have here.
West has been great about providing educational growth opportunities. I'm currently enrolled in Pennsylvania College of Technology in the Mechatronics Apprenticeship Program. I'm hoping that these will eventually be another tool that I can add to my toolbox and help West and myself in future career goals.
So I've only been at West for 3 years, but I just got promoted to be a backup team lead. So I still do my machine operator job, but now I help out more in the office as well when needed.
The growth opportunities I feel are good because I started as an operator, worked my way up through shipping and receiving, and then I got the opportunity to come up front and do raw material purchasing, and now I'm the plant planner.
Well, there's a lot of growth here. If you are very ambitious, you can start from the bottom and you can be a leader. You can be anything you want here. For me, in my own personal experience, they gave me chance to learn different departments, which is helping me a lot. I'm learning a lot every day.
So some of the things that make West a good place to work is the opportunity to build a career here. Like I'm an example, you could start as a molder and end up being a supervisor and keep progressing. They'll pay for your school, they'll help you grow. And really, if you put your mind to it, you can go into any department here that you feel like working in, either quality, molding, engineering, tooling.
One of the things I find rewarding here at West and here at Williamsport is that we're a leading provider in the healthcare industry, and we help millions of people around the world to just live healthier and better lives.
I think it's awesome that our small plant here in Williamsport impacts millions of patients around the globe.
West Company is a very committed company in improving and saving patients' lives. I am so proud of it. I'm just not doing any kind of job. This is, saving lives, improving lives. It could be my mom, it could be my dad, someone's husband, someone's wives, my son, I'm happy to be part of it. I am so proud to be part of it. I am so just proud. I don't know what else to say. I'm sorry.
I would encourage others to work at West because it's only the starting point of what could be a great career.
West has offered a bunch of opportunities to me that if I didn't work here, I don't think I would have gotten them.
This is my first job in America, and I will never find another job. I hope I can retire here.